Here I have XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding down your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change video resolution, you can change video quality, you can change its orientation, sound source, frame rate. You can also set lock screen to end recording. You can show touch gestures and you can show button taps. So let's try to start recording. For it, you just have to tap on this button once. This kind of menu pops up. So here you can access recordings folder. From here you can access settings from here too. So to start recording, just tap on this red button once and recording is on. So when you're done recording, just tap on this red button, and after that recordings will be saved to the gallery. Gallery. Here it is. To the album, screenshots and screen recordings in the screen recordings section. And here is your recording. From here you can you can share it, you can edit it, you can favorite, delete, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.